Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Android phone or tablet screen won't rotate. Now, the first thing you need to do is make sure that auto-rotate is enabled. To do this, swipe down on the screen to open the quick panel. Here, if you see a grayed out portrait icon, it means auto-rotate is turned off. Simply tap on it to enable automatic screen rotation. Additionally, you can also long press the auto-rotate tile to enable auto-rotation on the home screen, lock screen, and voice call screen. Once you do this, your phone screen should rotate when you change its orientation. Make sure you are not touching the screen while changing the orientation. Otherwise, auto-rotate won't work. It's important to note that auto-rotate does not work on all apps. So, if you use Instagram, for instance, your screen won't auto-rotate because the app does not allow it. If the screen rotation does not work in any of the apps, you should consider installing pending updates on your phone by heading over to Settings and then the Software Update menu. After this, simply restart your phone and the screen rotation should work. Let me know in the comments if this helped and subscribe to Glitch Guru for more such tips.